Let's practice this phrase together with some common examples.
It depends means there's no single answer because the answer changes based on the situation, conditions, or details. You can use it depends when someone asks a yes-no question, a preference question, a time or schedule question, or anything where the answer varies. It depends on how busy it gets.
It depends on how busy it gets.
It depends on how much time you have.
It depends on how much time you have.
It depends on what you're looking for.
It depends on what you're looking for.
It depends on where you are.
It depends on where you are.
It depends on the situation.
It depends on the situation.
Yeah, it depends on the day.
Yeah, it depends on the day.
You know, it depends on a few things.
You know, it depends on a few things.
I guess it depends on what happens next.
I guess it depends on what happens next.
Honestly, it depends.
Honestly, it depends.
It depends if they're available.
It depends if they're available.
It depends whether it's worth the effort.
It depends whether it's worth the effort.
It depends if you're comfortable with that.
It depends if you're comfortable with that.
It really depends on the company.
It really depends on the company.
A lot of it depends on timing.
A lot of it depends on timing.
Most of it depends on experience.
Most of it depends on experience.
Well, it depends.
Well, it depends.
It's hard to say it depends.
It's hard to say. It depends.
It depends. What exactly do you mean?
It depends. What exactly do you mean?
Depends.
Depends.
Yeah, depends.
Yeah, depends.
Depends on a few things.
Depends on a few things.
You did amazing today. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you'll sound.
See you next time.